So today guys, I am here to do a quick, not basically quick, I just want to show you the basic necessary step to having a flawless foundation and how to match your foundation for different skin. Forget I'm dark skin. If you are fair, you are chocolate, you are, did I say chocolate? No, I did not say that. If you are fair, you are light skin, you are dark skin, you are brown skin. If you fall into any of all these skin categories, whatever process I'm going to do now will also work for you. All you need to do is check your undertone. What undertone do you fall into? That will also help you and guide you when buying your foundation. So guys, let's dive into the video. Hello, I'm back.
appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
going to do any form of contour or blush. I am not. I am not going to apply any contour or blush. So I'm just going to end this whole look with the highlights. That is why I added a bit of Mush concealer, because all I want to show you in this video is highlights, how to match your foundation and how to properly match your highlights. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. Thank you for watching this video till now. Stay positive, stay blessed, and bye guys.